Hello and welcome into another LEETCODE challenge on this channel. So today we'll be dealing with an easy one, which is called Fizz. Given an integer n, return a string array answer, which is one indexed, where answer at I equals Fizz if I is divisible by 3 and 5, answer at I is equal Fizz if I is divisible by 3, answer at I equals buzz if I is divisible by 5, and at the end answer at I equals I as a string if none of the above conditions are true. So the example first is like input equals 3 and we are getting 1 to Fizz. When n is 5 we are getting 1 to Fizz for buzz. And example 3 finally, when n is equal 15 the array ends with a Fizz buzz. So Fizz buzz is quite a common solution to solve. So let's hop into the console and code the solution. Alright, so we are back in the LeetCode console. I will be using JavaScript, but you can use many other languages as well. So the idea here for sure will be an iteration. So let's firstly think what we need to do and start some common ground here. So for sure we will need to have a result array or some kind of an array that will be returned at the end. And in the middle for sure we will do an iteration. So we will do a for loop from let I equal 1 because we need to start from 1 up to I less than equal n and I plus plus. And now in the middle what we need to do. So we can create if conditions. If it's divisible by 3 and 5 we will add Fizz buzz. If it's divisible by 3 we will add Fizz. If it's divisible by 5 we will add buzz. And if it's not caught in all of those conditions we will give an I. But as you can see in this first line, then actually this Fizz buzz word is being combined from this condition and this condition. So if we will write it in the proper way, we can skip this condition and stick only with those true and this final default one. So how do we approach it? We can create a string which will be a blank string at the beginning, and then we can create the different conditionals. So if I modulo 3 is equal 0, so if there is no reminder from division by 3, so it's divisible by 3, we will add to this string a word Fizz. Then another condition, if it's divisible by 5, we will add to this string word buzz. And as you can see, writing it in this way will solve also the first thing, because we will first check if it's divisible by 3 and we will add Fizz, and if it's divisible also by 5 we will also to string add this word buzz, so we will get Fizz buzz. But if it's divisible by only 3 or 5 we will get either Fizz, either buzz. So at the end we also need to deal with this default approach. So this we will do on checking the string, because we can see that if we will not hit either this, the string will be empty. So we will do if string and we will negate it, because in JavaScript if string is blank it returns a falsy value, so we will negate it to true. So if the string is blank we will add to string an I, and that will solve our default issue. And at the end let's just to return result push string, and that should make for the whole solution. So let's run it. The 3 cases are accepted, and let's run the whole suite, and yeah, we were able to find the solution to this problem. So if you would like to see more of such videos, please subscribe to this channel, and if you would like for me to solve a particular LeetCode problem, or you would like to see video on another topic regarding development, software development or cloud, let me know down in the comments and I will try to make a video for you. So that will be all for today, and see ya in another one.